are we all doing? Hope everyone is okay and looking forward to another weekend, or maybe it is the weekend by the time this video goes up. Who knows? I have got another unboxing for you, and it's kind of like a leftover Christmas one, but also not, because it is the 12 Days of Sleigh. And whilst I am opening calendars that are like the 12 days of Christmas, so from Christmas Day onwards, I thought that this would also work in that category. It's still available to buy right now for £15 from Lottie London, or you can get it from Very, you can get it from Superdrug, and there are a few discounts around. And also, I have another one to give away. So that is today's giveaway prize, this entire calendar. If you want to be in with a chance of winning, then I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. You don't want to miss another giveaway. Of course, share this video, and most of all, you need to be subscribed. Alright, let's get into this video. So I got this on a half price sale or something like that, some kind of thing through O2, and I thought, why not get two? I don't have much Lottie London stuff. I thought it might be interesting to see what is inside. Now, what is going to be the question for today? The question for today's giveaway is, what is your favourite product from this calendar? All the rules will be in the box below. Normal rules apply. This giveaway will be open for everybody, international or not international. So anyone can have a go and anyone can win. It's about time that you guys got in on the goodies too. So shall we just get opening? I am excited about this because they have, oh, how hard is this to open? There's supposedly that they have a lipstick that's like the Ciate Glitterflip lipsticks. So I want to see what that's like. Freaking hell, nearly broke a nail then. That hurt. Wow. Be careful, whoever wins this, because I needed a pen for that. Right, this is Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick in the colour OMG. Looks like this kind of pinky peachy colour. And it is a kind of pinky peach colour. This looks like very similar to the Sleek formula because it's very creamy. Right, number 2. Ooh, Shimmer Squad. Looks like this. The Good Girl Illuminator. Why is everything so difficult to open? It's a slidey type thing. Yeah, basically I'm doing it wrong. Looks like that. Looks like this. Just ignore the previous stuff on my hand. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that. That's good, that is. Day 3. What is this? Hollow Duochrome Lip Gloss. Ooh. In the colour Twist. I can see a lot of sparkle in this. I can't see the duochrome yet, but maybe it's pink gold shift. I think that's where it's going with that. I knew from the back that it had some eyeshadows in here, but I thought it might be bigger than this actually. When it says shadow swatch, it genuinely does mean a shadow swatch. It's like my finger. Now slide up, since now I know how to get these open. This is in the colour Mia, and this is like sort of a purpley, mushroomy, matte kind of shade. Just like that. Ooh, on the floor. I can't say it's got a lot of pigment, but now I've swiped really hard. Let's go again. Okay, that's better. Might be quite a nice colour for a base or a blend. Yeah, I think if you build it up, that'll be okay. Why is this so hard to open? What is that? Ooh. Don't know if you saw that, but that was mega. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Eye foil. I guess it's in the colour silver or something. Figure eight, you just put this on top of other stuff. You see that silvery shine? Just a lot of glitter really. That really catches the light. If I put it on top of that other shadow, you can sort of get an idea. That's just a thin layer. That's a more thick layer. That's just a thin layer over the other shadow. See what kind of shine and glitter you get. That would be fun. And I do like things like that. I mean, I don't want the brush to pick up too much colour, but I like easy things that you can paint on and place like that. 6. Another Shimmer Squad. And so it's a second illuminator. I'm not being funny. but these two colours are almost the same. This one's called Queen Bee, so maybe this one's a bit more gold. And the other one came out a bit more silver. So there's the difference of the colours. That's the first one, that's the second one. There is a difference, which is good to see that swatched actually, because next to each other, they look so similar. 7. This looks fun. This is another Slay All Day, but this is metallic. I love a metallic colour. This is called Boy Bye. Don't know why I tried to say it in an accent. I'm no good. I'm rubbish. Oh, beautiful colour. Love it. So if you can't really get the full impact of the shine there, but that's so nice. Even that other one, I keep going back to it actually. That is really quite nice. I love a metallic sheen, and that is definitely the kind of like plummy colour that I really enjoy. 8. Oh my days. Why can't these just come out of their box? Shadow swatch. This is in the colour Emma. It is shiny. So this looks like the same as the other one, but a shiny version. It's not quite. It is a little bit different, but very similar. So they definitely would go together. It's kind of a satiny sheen, and it's there. So not super bright, quite subtle, maybe buildable. Don't know. I'll tell you what, those fiddly little lids, because you sort of slide these things up and down, and I don't know how I feel about them right now. Feels like they might annoy me. But another very me colour. This is Slay All Day matte liquid lipstick in the colour Girl Power, spelled P-W-R. Power. Power? P-word? I don't know. P-W-R, basically. Oh! Okay, look at this. And look at this. Not the same? This is the classic sort of nudie, dusky, pinky brown colour. Yeah, a bit disappointed because that is not that. Why didn't they make the bottle the same as the actual colour? Weird. But you've got to have that colour everywhere, it seems. Right, 10. Ooh, another shiny. Another Shimmer Squad in the BFF. Even lighter than the previous two. More like, oh, got like a pink tone in it. Where can I put that? It's next to the other two. Oh yeah, definitely pink shift. So that's the newest one there. So we've got a pink one, a gold one, and a sort of silvery white one. So that was 10, 11. This is called Over It, and it's a lip foil as well. And this is like a white pink fluorescent thing. Ooh, shiny. So that is that there. Like, I can't really get it to go pink for you guys very much. No, maybe. Just looks like my skin. But it looks really silvery there, but in the light you've got bluey green going to pink. That's so weird how, to me, it looks completely different to what it looks like on camera. That could be fun to play with. And then we have number 12, which is a full-size item, I believe. Just ripping off the rest of the cardboard to make sure there's nothing else in there. And this is our glitter switch. Now, it says read me first. Not that excited about the undercolour, but it might be okay once it's all glittery. So what do the instructions say? Apply an even coat to the lips, leave to dry for a minute, press them together and reveal the magic. Ooh. I actually have some Ciate ones here, so it might be interesting to do a comparison. But does it have to be in a similar colour, or can it be in a different colour? We'll do it in a similar colour so that it's not too weird. Right, this side Lottie London, this side Ciate. First I've got to take this stuff off, don't I? I'll be right back. It's kind of just like my lip colour, but I think it smells banana. Right, now for the Ciate one. So this has got a little cleft foot in it to go around your lips. That's an interesting way of doing it. In the end, they're not the same colour at all. Okay, that is definitely over a minute. In fact, I think that's actually 2 minutes. Where are we? This side is definitely dry. It feels a bit tight and uncomfortable, to be honest. Not awfully, but oh, I went ahead and wrinkled my lips. Right, let's go in for the full press. But the left side definitely looks a bit more shiny and more moisturised. That's from the tiniest bit pressed and feels more comfortable. Wow. You might think that the colour would show up better on this side because it's darker as well, but okay, it's coming out more. Whoever thought this was a good idea? How random. But then if I was Lottie London, I would have put a darker colour or maybe a Christmassy red colour in this box, and then the glitter would show up more anyway. But to my mind, the Ciate side definitely has way more shine. What do you guys think? I think also the Ciate Glitterflip one, the chunks of glitter are bigger than the other side. The Lottie London one chunks are finer, so that is also going to make a difference. But this side's more comfortable as well. So yeah, if you're going to go for long term, you want to wear it, I would fork out for this one personally. If you just want to try it, then try a Lottie London one, but maybe not this colour because it's not showing up quite as well as it might on a dark lipstick for my personal taste. So what do we think of this calendar, 12 days of sleigh, post-Christmas, pre-Christmas, whatever calendar? I think it's not quite a nice little collection to give you some Lottie London products if you haven't had some. I mean, we're all revolving around the sort of party, shiny theme, which is good for that time of year, this time of year, party season. I know it's finished now, kind of. There's definitely going to be some things in there to use, and I don't think that collection is bad for £12. Ta-da! My battery died, so I decided to take that one off and put this one on because I'm going out in a minute and I can't go out with two different coloured lips, and I thought it'd be nice to see what the metallic one looked like, and I love it. I did need to do like a couple of layers to get it completely even all over, but sorry to make you look at this spot, but I really like it. It feels comfortable. I like that metallic one. So I think overall this is a nice set of things, and it's a bunch of stuff for me to try. Things like these toppers and things I really like because they're just easy to use. So I like that the highlighters are a reasonable size and they're all different colours. It would have been nice if these shadows were a duo set and had two of them, or am I just being greedy? I think it's just for my own personal convenience. I'd prefer it to have like a set that you open in the conventional way. It's fine, it's all good really, but you might need just one more colour to give yourself a full look. I mean, you could do it with two, but one more darker one I think would have made it so you could have a full eye look. It's all good. I think this is quite nice, maybe slightly aimed at a younger market. What do we think? Or as a 30-something woman, is it acceptable for me to have this? I mean, generally it's lipstick's lipstick, isn't it? I don't know. What do you think? You let me know down below. And that is the end of this video and of my 12 days of sleigh. Maybe that's what makes me feel old, 12 days of sleigh. I'm not slaying anything right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to find out about these Lottie London products. And Ciate versus Lottie London on the Glitterflip. Ciate wins. Don't forget to enter my giveaway if you would like to win that whole calendar for yourself to open. And until I see you next time, I hope that you live every moment well. Take care of yourselves. Find some positivity in every day. Happy New Year!